Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I first want to say that I apologize for getting this video out so late. I know you guys have been anticipating and patiently waiting on who the winners are for the Christmas in July YouTube Pop. So I do apologize for getting this video out late. However, I do want to say a great big thank you to all of you that watched the videos in the Hop and left such amazing comments. I truly appreciate it. And a lot of you actually asked me for a tutorial on how I created this stationery box, and I actually will be doing that video hopefully sometime this weekend. I do have it prepped. I just have to find the time to shoot the video and get all that uploaded for you guys. So welcome to all of my new subscribers, and of course welcome to my old subscribers or my regular followers. So let's get on with it. I don't want to take up a lot of your time. So first I'm going to do the drawing for this prize, which is my stationery box that I created with the Frank Garcia Christmas in the Country paper collection. So I did forget to mention in my video that this will be only for US residents, only because the shipping will be way too expensive for me to ship it out of the country. So I really hope you guys understand. So here is my list of all the comments that had the word snowflake in it. So that told me that you wanted to be entered into this giveaway. So I have a total of 89 comments to win that prize. So I am actually going to use random.org. Okay, so it picked number 2, and it is Shabby Pink House. Yay, Christine! You're the one who won my stationery box. And she says, hey Twinsy, your stationery box is beautiful. Love the flower cluster. Love the cards, note cards, and snowflake tags. Great job in keeping them flat. I struggle with clean and simple too. Super generous prize from Frank. Yours is also an amazing gift prize. Thanks for sharing, sweetie. Big hugs, Christine. So, Christine, you are the winner of my stationery box. So, congratulations. So congratulations to the polka dot pine cone. You're the grand prize winner to the $50 gift certificate to Frank Garcia Studio. So congratulations. Okay, so those are the 2 winners to the giveaway for this Christmas in July Hop. Thank you guys so much for being patient. Again, I do apologize for getting this video out so late. For the winners, please go ahead and use the email address in the description box to contact me to claim your prize. I will give both of you until next Saturday to contact me. Otherwise, I will go ahead and pick new winners if either one doesn't contact me, and we'll go from there. So thank you guys again so much for stopping by. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye everyone.